Okay, here you can see it running down beside that stub of a tree. Oh, mudslide. Oh, shit. Look, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's going. Mudslide. Oh, man. I'm gonna pretend I'm in California. Holy crap. It's all moving down to the river. There's going to be a sandy beach down there from up here. Oh my God. There are rocks tumbling down there. I don't know if you can see them. Oh man. It's moving now. And over here you can see it's, uh-oh. Now I can see it coming out from under the concrete, right between the two trees. Can you see it? The concrete's just a shell sitting on top of it. Oh, another mudslide. Mother Nature gets her way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there's another mudslide over there from under the concrete. Wow. That's probably not good.